Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is just a random video just to show you guys a personal experience that I had with my wife's phone, my previous phone, because now she has another one. So basically I have, as you can see, a Redmi 3 in here that she used to had, and she had some problems with her battery that basically the battery began to inflate, to get bigger, and then obviously I ordered a new battery on AliExpress. I found it a cheap one for I think $9 or maybe less, and it took a while to come for that battery to come around 2 months. I think maybe just a little bit more. So since I didn't have the new battery, I left the phone on a drawer, and when the battery came up and I went and grabbed the phone, I found something very interesting. Obviously you already know from the thumbnail, but just for comparison, let me show you guys what have happened. So basically this is how much the phone closes right now. You cannot close it anymore, and obviously because of the battery. So let me get these buttons out of the way. So as you can see, the battery has inflated even more just by sitting on the drawer for I think about 2 months, maybe just a little bit more. I don't know, I'm not sure, but I just wanted to share this with you guys to be careful, because these batteries may explode. I don't think it's gonna to, and if you can see, it's a little bit soft, not hard anymore, but these batteries can explode, especially if they come into contact with metal parts. You can find videos over the internet where some guys pierce these batteries with a knife or with something else that is metal, and they catch on fire. So be very careful, guys. If you have a bad battery, just get rid of it. Do not keep it into your house, especially on a drawer in your bedroom, because it may catch fire and it may burn down your house. Why not? It can totally happen. So beside this, let me go ahead and unscrew all the screws that we have in here, so we can pull out the battery, so you can have a better look at this one. So catch you guys in a bit. Okay then, and there you have it, guys, the final product from this battery. Now soft. I don't want to squeeze it too much, because believe me, I'm afraid that this can explode. Again, be very careful. Do not try and pierce it with something metal like the screwdriver or anything else, because it may explode. Although this battery has totally failed now, it's gone, but you never know. You have to be very careful. And this is not a video to bash Redmi for their batteries, because obviously this phone is several years now. I can't even remember when it is bought, so this battery has done its days. But I just wanted to warn you guys. Please, if you have a bad battery, if your battery just inflates a little bit, please remove it and buy another one, because they are fairly cheap these days. And most of all, the used batteries, even the new batteries, if you want to store them in your house, do not keep them into your drawer, or let's say somewhere in the house where it can catch fire and do some damage, but keep them in a safe environment, even new batteries. So be very careful, and I hope this one was helpful for you. Obviously I'm going to throw this one away, and then I will go I will go ahead and install the new battery that comes, and then close the phone obviously, and make it as safe as possible. So yeah, that was it for today. Hope this was helpful. If so, please consider subscribing to the channel. Also turn on post notification. Although this video is just an informative one, it has nothing to do with my main channel, with my main topic, let's say, of my channel. But anyway, it's a cool video for you to share with you guys, so you can be very careful, because it may happen to you. So again, be very careful. Just remove them and throw them away. Do not keep them into your house or somewhere where it can do damage if it catches fire. So be very careful, especially if you have children into the house. Do not keep them anywhere into the house, or at least keep them somewhere safe where children cannot find them, because they may be very harmful. Because if a little children finds this one, this looks like a little toy which he or she can play. So yeah, it's dangerous. Again, I have nothing against Redmi. I'm very happy with Redmi. I have my wife has had this phone. She has another phone. I have yet another phone from Redmi. I will get a new one from Redmi again. So this is not a Redmi problem, but it's just a matter of time till the batteries fail. So it can happen to anyone, not to Redmi only. But this is just my case. It happens to be a Redmi phone. So I just wanted to share this with you, only for the dangerous matter, let's say, that this battery can cause if you keep it around your house. So that was it. Okay then, thanks very much for watching, guys. As always, as I mentioned before, consider subscribing to the channel. Also turn on post notification, and as always, catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.